I started baking as a kid with my mom. She was a big baker just at home, and I loved watching Julia Child on TV, and I would pretend that I was putting on a baking show in my kitchen when I was making cookies. And so I always wanted to bake professionally, and after I worked as an administrative assistant for many years, I finally decided to go to pastry school.
I had been in the industry for a long time, which was really great. But at a certain point, I thought I'd really like to teach other people this work. I had sort of done the job of being in the industry and making many, many hundreds of wedding cakes, but I sort of changed and thought it would be really wonderful to teach students some of my skills. And I have started doing that, and I really enjoy it.
In our program, students learn a wide variety of baking skills, from mixing methods to chocolate making, wedding cakes and sugar sculptures, and that way they can kind of decide what area they really want to focus on when they go out into the industry.
I think that the people who come here that do really well are basically really energetic people and people who like working with their hands. Maybe they've got kind of an artistic bent, artisan type of people, and they could be right out of high school, or they could be career changers, or even older people.
In order to succeed in this program, a student should be self-motivated and passionate about baking. They should really want to learn as much as they can, and fine motor skills help too.
You can learn a lot online. It's amazing. I look at the YouTube videos too, and I see what people have learned, and it's wonderful. What you can't learn in those videos is how to be a professional pastry chef. Much of the job is learning production skills so that you can make a lot of products quickly in a professional manner. That is not really doable on YouTube. That said, I'm really impressed what you can learn, but we would teach you how to be a professional.